Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to connect the mouse to your iPad. Now recently they made this process a lot easier. So all you do for it is you go into your settings and then press on Bluetooth. Okay, so from here, you need to turn your mouse and then enter syncing mode. Now this changes depending on which mouse you have. So for me, I hold down this button, but yeah, check your manual for that. Now it should appear right here. If it's not here, then most likely your mouse is not Bluetooth. Some wireless mouses don't have Bluetooth, so just make sure you check that. But anyways, once you see it, just press on it. And just press pair. Okay, so now it's connected. You guys see we have a dot right here. So for example, if I go down here and hold down on the button, then I can swipe up. Or if I hover my mouse over an app, and if I right click, then this is what comes up right here. So that's similar if you hold down with your finger. And just for example, if I click right here on Safari, and once again, it's going to swipe up. Now, going back into the settings, so I'll probably make a more in-depth video on this, but real quick, if you want to customize the cursor, so if it's not large enough, then go to accessibility and then press on pointer control. So yeah, from here, there's some options for, just for example, making a larger cursor. And one final thing. So if you press on general and then you press trackpad and mouse, then from here you can change some stuff, including how fast the pointer moves. Alright guys, so hopefully this helped out.